Here's the savory recipe for Jamaican jerk chicken wings. Roughly chop the onions. Peel the garlic and put into a food processor. Add the sugar, hot sauce, allspice, bay leaf, thyme, vinegar, oil, and salt in moderation. Process until smooth. With the chicken wings in a bowl, pour the sauce over the chicken, making sure it covers every piece. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Divide the chicken wings and let them come to room temperature. Bake the wings in the middle of the oven for 40 minutes, making sure to turn them every 10 minutes. If the wings start to burn, cover them with foil. You can serve them warm or at room temperature. Garnish with lime wedges. And that's all it takes to make savory, delicious Jamaican jerk chicken wings.